function is graphed and the coordinates grid is shown. Looks like we have a rational function here. It's two pieces. We have a vertical asymptote at -3, horizontal at y equals 0, and we have a hole here at -2, 1. What are the domain and range for this function? So we're looking for the domain and range. And what I'm going to try to do here so we can see the whole picture at once is I'm going to just shrink this a little bit so we can take a look at this picture. All right, domain. So domain, we're looking at, given this equation, how far left, how far right, and then the breaks. As I mentioned, we have a vertical break here at x equals -3. That is a vertical asymptote, which is not a part of the domain. So the domain is going to come from -infinity here up until -3, and that's going to be a break. That's going to be a break there. Now, the other piece starts up at -3, but we will not ever touch that value at -3. It's a vertical asymptote, so we'll have a break at that location. This will keep us every value but -3 as we approach. And then it looks like at here at -2, we have a hole. So from -3, the graph exists all the way to -2. Since this is an open circle, again, I'm using a parenthesis with another union. And I would go from -2 all the way to positive infinity. That's my domain. Now my range is how low to how high. The only break I see here coming up is at y equals 0. I have a break. So from -infinity up until 0, union. And from 0, let's see, does it go on forever upward? No, there's another break here at 1. This hole is at 1, so you would have a break at 1, and that would continue on to infinity. So this would be the domain and range. If you wanted to write it in a set builder form, you could say for the domain, another way of saying it is that x cannot equal -3, and it also cannot equal -2, yet it can equal any other real numbers. So it can be any real value other than -3, -2. Okay, and for the range, the way you'd say that is that y cannot equal the value 0, nor can it equal the value 1, yet y is any other real number. And so these would be the two different ways you could write your domain and range.